Okay, so we're in school in Tameside today with the wonderful OddArts. I think together with OddArts we have a really unique approach with their wonderful creative facilitation and their forum theatre alongside our workshops that are really trying to promote critical thinking and really pull out what is racism.
We feel like the young people really get to experience it practically, not just theoretically. So we challenge them to come into the play and actually stop the event and able to work and act alongside our character.
It's really important that we value these partnerships and are obviously really thankful to Tameside Council for really supporting that.
I'm really proud of the partnership that Tameside Council have with Show Racism, the Red Card and OddArts. I think the social value of this piece of work I think is really good.
These topics, you do need to chew them, and you can't chew things with blunt teeth. And that's to be considerate and respectful. It's not to whack primary school children over the head with anything. It's all coming from an empowerment point of view.
The hope is that it'll open up those conversations, and hopefully the young people will go home and speak to the parents about what they've learned today and have those conversations.